Let's take a quick look here at Power BI service and also dashboards, which is very important for this. So Power BI is a cloud-based service where users view and interact with reports and where they can create dashboards. And so here is a screenshot of me logged into Power BI. If you want to know how to get there, you go app.powerbi.com. And if you already have, you have to, even if you have a Microsoft account, you still have to fill in a form, and then it activates the service. And you can go and explore some dashboards and reports right off the bat for free. So it's very easy to jump into. One of the concepts that's very important with Power BI service is dashboards. And so before we talk about that, let's talk about what a tile is. A tile is a snapshot of data pinned into your dashboard. So here's an example of data. A tile can be created from a report, a data set, a different dashboard, Q&A box, Excel, SQL Server Reporting Service, SSRS, and many, many more. Looking at a dashboard is a single page, often called a canvas, that tells a story through a visualization. So there it is. The visualizations you can see on the dashboard are called tiles. You can pin tiles to a dashboard from reports, okay?